One of the disciplines of web development that took us several years to master is the error logs monitoring. When a site or web application runs on a web server, it logs errors when something wrong happens. But it's usually buried into server logs where no one is looking. It's like working blind, not knowing what's happening to your web application and to your users. Let's dive deeper on the benefits of error logs monitoring and best practices for the implementation and the ongoing management of those. Hey, welcome to this new edition of Digital Blitz, your short brief on everything UX, tech and compliance. I'm Sylvain Reiter and I'm here to help you succeed in digital by delivering better experiences for your team and your customers. As I was saying, error logs monitoring is one of the features we implemented that has made the biggest difference in the stability of the web applications we build for us and for our clients. Even if you have the best specifications, the best user stories and the best developers, and even if you have lots of automated test coverage, there will always be random bugs in any system. Some might be quite minor, but they're usually edge cases from random users not following the standard flow. And when those errors happen, you cannot always rely on users to report them or contact your customer service team to complain. At best, users facing those errors won't be able to complete their task, but at worst, they will be frustrated and they will never come back to your website. This is why you need to monitor the errors. So you get to know about those issues in real time, even before your users call your technical support. So at work, we personally use Sentry, a tool called Sentry, but there are plenty of others like Airbrake, Blackfire, there's dozens. It helps you aggregate all the errors in one place. Some of those tools, they even identify improvements to be made in your application, such as the long script or the slow database queries. It's pretty straightforward. Just by adding a few lines of code, you can install those libraries in your web application, and it automatically sends all the logs to a central dashboard where you can categorize them by severity or by frequency, and then triggers a support ticket or a Slack notification, and you can assign that to your team. Once you have visibility over those errors, you can start doing some analysis. Because those tools not only bring all the data in one place, but more importantly, you can see how often they happen, how many users were affected, and what piece of the codes triggered it. Once you can identify which ones are critical, you need to prioritize them in your product roadmap. It can be a challenge to decide how you allocate the time between fixing a bug from an edge case or single users versus building a new feature that could benefit thousands of customers. Like when we spoke about refactoring in your application, it is critical, it's mandatory that you have to allocate 10 to 20% of your development budget to fix those underlying issues. It can only make your web application better and your user happier. That's it for today. Remember that what we've just covered is just for web application today, but the same tools can apply for database logs, network monitoring, cloud infrastructure, so there's plenty of other disciplines to apply there. If you need help with setting up error logs monitoring to your web application or need some support to improve the stability of your digital platform, leave me some comments below or get in touch. You can watch more videos about technical optimization on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with me and grow your career in digital. Until next time, stay safe and see you soon.